Children, to our maths lecture where we are learning lesson number 12, perimeter and area, in which the first topic, that is perimeter, we have completed. Now we are going to study area of two figures, that is square and perimeter. So let us first learn the formula to calculate area of square and area of rectangle. So the formula to calculate area of square you have studied in your lower standard also is equal to side multiplied by side, which equals side square, right? Since square is a figure who is having all the four sides equal in length. So the formula to calculate area of square is side multiplied by side, which equals side square. Second figure is a rectangle in which we have two length and two breadth. So area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth, that is L into B. The way of writing L should be in this manner. It should not be written as 1. It should be written in cursive L. So L multiplied by B. So using these two formulas we will solve practice set 45. So all of you be ready with practice set 45. The first question of practice set 45 I will read. See in the book, all of you. If the side of a square is 12 centimeter, find its area. The length of the side is given and it is a square. So we have to find the area. So first we will write length of side of square is equal to 12 centimeter. It is 12 centimeter. Now we will write the formula. Area of square is equal to, I will write in the other way, that is side square, side square, which equals 12 square. The meaning of 12 square is always is equal to 12 multiplied by 12. Square means the same number is to be multiplied by itself 2 times. So 12 multiplied by 12 gives you answer 144, and the unit of square is square centimeter. So this is the answer. Therefore, area of square is 144 square centimeter. This is your first answer. Very simple. Okay. Now see the second question. If the length of a rectangle is 15 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter, find its area. The formula to calculate area of rectangle is L into B. Second sum, length of rectangle L equals, how much is given? 15 centimeter. Its breadth its breadth B, small b, is equal to 5 centimeter. I think it is 5 only. Yes. So now we will find the area. Therefore, area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B, which equals 15 multiplied by 5, which equals 75 square centimeter. Therefore, area of rectangle is 75 square centimeter. Okay. Now let us move on to the third sum. Third sum is the area of a rectangle is 102 square centimeter. If its length is 17 centimeter, what is its perimeter? Now they have asked us to find out perimeter. Now formula of perimeter is twice L plus B. Length is given but breadth is not given. Instead of breadth, area is given. So using the area, we have to calculate the breadth first and then the perimeter. So take down the sum. I think this sum is over. Sum number 3. What is given first we will write down. Area and length of rectangle. So length of rectangle L is equal to, how much it is given? 17 centimeter. Its breadth we don't know. Its breadth B is unknown. Then area of rectangle is given. Area of rectangle is equal to, how much it is given? 102 square centimeter. So using the same formula we will find the breadth. See how to find out. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Therefore, area of rectangle is 102. So I will write 102 here, is equal to length is 17. B we don't know. So we will find B. Therefore, B becomes 102 upon 17, which equals 6 centimeter. So we get B as 6 centimeter. Therefore, breadth of rectangle B is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice L plus B, which equals twice 17 plus 6, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 17 plus 6 is how much, children? 23, and the answer is 46 centimeter. So perimeter of the same rectangle is 46 centimeter and area is 102. So this is your third sum. Take down. Over, children. Third sum. Now let us go for the fourth one. See the fourth sum and then we will conclude today's lecture. Okay. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? Means the original square is suppose 1 centimeter and the length is tripled. Tripled means 3 times. So new length of the square is 3 centimeter. Then how much will be the increase in the area? That you have to write down. So see, I will write it on the board. Very simple it is. Area will be 9 times more. I'll write the answer first and then I'll explain. Fourth one. Let the side of square be A. Therefore, area of square is equal to side square is equal to A square. Now, new side of square which equals 3A, 3 times the original. Therefore, new area of square is equal to 3A the whole square, which gives you, this gives you 9A square, which equals 9 multiplied by area of old square. Area of old square or original you can write. So when the side is tripled, the area increases by 9 times of the original. Therefore, if the side of a square is tripled, its area will become 9 times the area of old square. Okay children, see here. Once I'll explain and then we will conclude with the lecture. First one, let the side of the old square be A. Then area becomes A square. Okay. Then side of new square is 3A. So area becomes 3A the whole square, which is 9A square. 9 if you remove only A square, if you see, A square is the area of the old square. So this becomes 9 multiplied by area of the old square. So if the side of our original square is tripled, the area becomes 9 times more than the area of the old square. Now till our today practice at 45 is completed. In our next lecture we will see further the lesson. Have fun. Thank you.